In this video, we're going to talk about how to put fractions in simplest form, and the synonym for simplest form is also lowest terms. They mean the same thing, so I will use them interchangeably in this video and in class. So let's say we have a fraction 4/16, and we have to put it in simplest form or lowest terms. You could do this a few ways. If you know your multiplication and division facts, you can think of a number that can go into 4 evenly and that can go into 16 evenly. But let's pretend I don't know my multiplication facts. So I'm going to find the greatest common factor. I'm going to use the rainbow method to find the greatest common factor. So with 4, you have 1 and 4. There's my rainbow stripe. And you also have 2 and 2. Now you necessarily don't have to put that second 2 there since you're multiplying 2 by itself to get the 4. So there's the factors of 4. Let's go ahead and do the factors of 16. So the first the first factor pair would be 1 and 16. We know 2 and 8. 3 can't go into 16 evenly, but 4 can. So I'll put my 4 and 4. I'll connect the factor pairs with my rainbow stripe. Now, when we look at the common factors of 4 and 16, we're looking for the greatest common factor. So that would be 4. There's a 4 in this factor rainbow and a 4 in this factor rainbow. So we're going to divide the numerator and denominator by its GCF, by its greatest common factor. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So 1/4 would be the simplest form or lowest terms of 4/16. Let's try one more. Before we try one more, children, I always like to try to divide the numerator and denominator by the numerator. A lot of times that works. So just to put that hint in the back of your mind. Let's do one more example, and then you'll get started on your activity. Let's do 48/56. Now you could, if you're unfamiliar with the factor pairs for 48 and 56, you could go ahead and do your GCF rainbow. But I know my brain that 8 can go into 48 and 8 can go into 56. So I'm going to divide both by the same divisor. And 8 goes into 48 6 times. 8 goes into 56 7 times. So the simplest form of 48/56 would be 6/7. Let's try some more examples together.